Very good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Preeti Diwan from JD Patil Samvitkar Mahavidyalaya, Darapur. Today, we are going to start our semester 2 syllabus. Here I have displayed a syllabus of semester 2. So this paper is dealing with the cell and developmental biology. Under that, we are having 6 units, out of which first 1, 2, 3 unit I am going to take. Firstly, we will start with the first unit, that is general organization of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Then we are going to learn about ultrastructure and function of plasma membrane. Then we will see ultrastructure and types of the endoplasmic reticulum, etc. So most of the units are dealing with the cell biology, cytology. So इसमें हम we will start with the first lecture, that is general organization of prokaryotic cell. So you know well now that we will start with the first topic, first unit, that is cell, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. So you know all that cell is a basic structural and functional unit of life. So you might have learned in the previous classes the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. See, prokaryotic cell means what? Pro means primitive, and karyote means nucleus. So those who are having primitive nucleus means undeveloped nucleus, that are said to be a prokaryotic prokaryotes. While U means advanced, developed, and karyotes means nucleus, जिसमें nucleus जो है is well developed with the nuclear membrane. That type of cell is called as eukaryotic cell. So this is a general organized structure of prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Most of the cell organelles are different, same, and some are lacking in the prokaryotic cell. See, if we see the structure of prokaryotic cell, it is having a minimum size, small size. Small size का है 0.1 to 10 mm of size, while this eukaryotic cell is 10 to 100 mm in size. It is also having a plasma membrane. In detail, we are going to see the structure of plasma, structure and function of the plasma membrane. Each and every cell organelle we are going to learn in the detail. So the prokaryotic cell is also having a plasma membrane. Similarly, eukaryotic cell is also having. Then the cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? The liquid present inside the plasma membrane around the nucleus is called as cytoplasm. In case of the prokaryotic cell, it is called as protoplasm. So both are having DNA. Then nucleoid region is there. Nucleus is only present in the eukaryotic cell. Ribosomes are present in both the cells. So cell have evolved two different architecture. So on the basis of its type और its structure कैसा है, उसमें क्या क्या present है, there are two types of cell, prokaryote style and eukaryotic style. So already we have seen prokaryotic cells were here first and for the billions of years were the only form of life on the earth. All prokaryotic organisms are unicellular as it is having a very small size. So those भी small size के है, single cell के बने हुए animals हैं, all are of the prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells appears on the earth long after the prokaryotic cell. मतलब क्या है? Prokaryotic means primitive मतलब उसमें न्यूक्लियस डेवलप नहीं है, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन डेवलप नहीं है, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड सेल ऑर्गेनेलिस प्रेजेंट नहीं है. सो पहले जो कौन सा सेल आया था लाइफ जब स्टार्ट हुई ऑन द अर्थ, सो द फर्स्ट सेल वाज प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल. प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल में एडवांस होके इवोल्यूशन होके डेवलपमेंट होके देन द प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल इज गोइंग टू और गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू द यूकैरियोटिक सेल. So eukaryotic cell is present in the unicellular as well as in the multicellular organism. So our today's main topic is characteristic structure and function of the prokaryotic cell. So prokaryotics are simple type of the cell. Old type of cell appear about 4 billion year ago. बहुत सबसे पहले स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से हुई है, लाइफ चालू हो गई है, तो प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल पानी में जो बोलते हैं दैट आर स्टार्टेड, देन द इवोल्यूशन टेक्स प्लेस. प्रोकैरियोटिक्स आर द लार्जेस्ट ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म, बहुत ज्यादा नंबर है. प्रोकैरियोटिक cells cellular organism that are found in all environment. Prokaryotic cell वाले जो unicellular organism है, they may be present in the air, in the water as well as in the soil. Prokaryotic do not have nuclear membrane. उसमें nuclear membrane present नहीं है. Nuclear cell organelle भी membrane bound nuclear cell organelles भी present नहीं है. Their circular shape genetic material dispersed throughout the cytoplasm. Nucleus के सेल वॉल के अंदर सेल प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन सेल मेम्ब्रेन के अंदर जो भी लिक्विड है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज साइटोप्लाज्म, और इट इज इन केस ऑफ द प्रोकैरियोटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म इट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रोटोप्लाज्म. प्रोटोप्लाज्म में ही वो क्या है, डिस्पर्स है जेनेटिक मटेरियल. जेनेटिक मटेरियल इज इन द सर्कुलर शेप. सो प्रोकैरियोटिक डू नॉट हैव मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड सेल ऑर्गेनेली. अभी बताया प्रोकैरियोट्स हैव अ सिंपल इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर. Then prokaryotes are smaller in size when compared to the eukaryotes. Size हमने पहले ही देखी है, वो microscopic है. Then the shape of the prokaryotic cell, it is mostly present in the bacteria, viruses. So the 4 types of cells are there. Shape are there: foci, spherical shape, bacillus, rod shape. Then spherical spring जैसा structure है, it is a spirilla. So it is a basic structure of prokaryotic cell. It is having an outer membrane, then cell wall is present, then capsule is present, then plasma membrane, then inside the cytoplasm nuclear region is present, then around the inside the nucleoplasm ribosome is there, then on the surface of this cell wall the pilus is there, on the surface of cell wall itself the flagellum is there. So what will be the function of this pilus and flagellum, that we will say in the next slide. So second type of, if we study both the cell eukaryotic cell और prokaryotic cell अगर आप comparatively study करेंगे तो it will be more what rememberable for you. So eukaryotic cell appears approximately 1 billion ago. Eukaryotics are generally more advanced than the prokaryotes. Nuclear membrane surrounds linear genetic material DNA. Prokaryotic cell में कैसा nuclear DNA था? So nuclear DNA is circular in nature, while in the eukaryotes it is linear in nature or structure. Unlike the prokaryotes, eukaryotics have several different parts. Prokaryotes organelles have covering known as membrane. So prokaryotic organelle में covering present है, उसको हम membrane बोलेंगे. Eukaryotes have a complex internal structure. Eukaryotics are larger than the prokaryotic in size. पहले हमने size comparison की. This is an general structure of eukaryotic cell. Mitochondria is present in cytoplasm, Golgi complex, nucleus. These are the cell organelle, membrane bound cell organelles. So this is the difference. First difference is that they lack membrane. Prokaryotes में membrane present नहीं है organelles में, और इसमें eukaryotes में membrane present है. Ribosomes are the only organelle. सिर्फ कौन सा organelle present है in the prokaryotic cell? It is ribosome. So various types of different kinds of cell organelles are present in the eukaryotes. Genetic material locates in the cytoplasm, while this membrane covered genetic material. So prokaryote में DNA कैसा है? सर्कुलर है, यहाँ पे लिनियर है. ये कौन से सेल्स है? यूनिसेलुलर है. इट मे बी यूनिसेलुलर और मल्टीसेलुलर. सेल की साइज अलग अलग है, और हमने ऑलरेडी यू माइट हैव लर्न दिस डिफरेंस. सो सिमिलरिटीज भी हमको पता है. देन वी विल सी द detailed structure of prokaryotic cell. See here, the prokaryotic cell is having a outer capsule, thick capsule present है, उसके अंदर cell wall present है, उसके अंदर cell membrane presented. Three envelope are there: capsule, cell wall, and cell membranes. Where the capsule is present? The capsule is slimy outer coating. सबसे ऊपर का जो स्लीम जो सॉफ्ट स्लिपरी स्ट्रक्चर है, इट इज अ कैप्सूल. देन सेल वॉल, टफर मिडल लेयर, बीच वाली जो लेयर है ग्रीन कलर की, इट इज अ सेल वॉल. देन इनसाइड दैट द सेल मेम्ब्रेन इज प्रेजेंट, which is delicate and innermost layer. Then cytoplasm, inner liquid filling. सेल मेम्ब्रेन के अंदर जो भी लिक्विड है ब्लूइश कलर का, इट इज नथिंग बट अ साइटोप्लाज्म. देन डीएनए इज वन बिग लूप जैसे लीनियर स्ट्रक्चर है. देन पिलाई फॉर द स्टिकिंग टू द थिंग्स. जो एक्सटर्नल सेल वॉल के इस पे येलो कलर के लंबे लंबे थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहे हैं, इट इज अ पीली. फॉर व्हाट पर्पस दिस पीलीज आर प्रेजेंट? फॉर attachment or for sticking purpose during the reproduction or during the various purposes. Flagella is a long hair-like structure. Single structure is present attached to the cell membrane and attached to the cell wall. The function of this cell flagella is for the swimming. Then cell organelle, ribosome is present. राइबोसोम का फंक्शन आपको पता ही है. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ राइबोसोम? इट इज सेड टू बी अ प्रोटीन फैक्ट्री और प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस में वो काम में आता है. देन प्रोकैरियोटिक लाइफस्टाइल कैसी है? इट इज मोस्टली यूनिसेलुलर ही है, ऑल अलोन, सिंगल सेल से बना हुआ है. देन द कॉलोनी फॉर्म्स अ फिल्म, कॉलोनीज में रहेंगे. देन फिलामेंटस फॉर्म्स अ चेन ऑफ द सब्सटेंसेस. प्रोकैरियोटिक फीडिंग कैसी है? पे वो डेवलप होते हैं. फीड क्या करते हैं? तो इट इज फोटोसिंथेटिक. सम bacteria, mostly the prokaryotic cell are present in the bacteria. Some bacteria are photosynthetic. Then this is causing feeding on the living, मतलब host cell में develop होंगे. Some are decomposer, feed on dead and decaying matter of the things. So eukaryotes are bigger and more complicated. Eukaryotes का अगर देखा हमने तो it is having a big size, have a more number of cell organelles, have a greater number of chromosomes, can be multicellular. It includes the animal cell and plant cell. Organelles are membrane bound. Eukaryotic cell में organelles जो भी present है, it is membrane bound, means attached to the nuclear membrane and cell membrane. So mini organs that have unique structure and function located in the cell cytoplasm. So if we see the cell structure of eukaryotic cell membrane is made up of lipid and protein skin around the cytoplasm. Cell membrane is an outermost. Cell membrane is also called as plasma membrane. So इसमें cell wall present नहीं रहेगी, किसी में present रहेगी. Found in all cells. Then inside the cytoplasm, centrally located, mostly nucleus is present, and inside the nucleus, nucleolus is there, and inside it chromosomes means DNA is present. It is having a nuclear membrane, is having a pores or nuclear holes. Then the nucleolus is present. This small tiny dense body inside the nucleus is called as nucleolus. It is present inside the nucleus, location of the ribosome factory made up of RNA. Then mitochondria here makes the cell energy. The more energy, mitochondria को हम क्या बोलते हैं? It is an powerhouse of the cell, which will have a एटीपी सिंथेसिस. और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में अलग अलग साइकिल प्रेजेंट रहती है और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एनर्जी स्टोर करती है. देन राइबोसोम्स, ये सभी के सभी हम डिटेल में देख रहे हैं. सिर्फ यहाँ पे हमको क्या कवर करना है? व्हाट आर द सेल ऑर्गेनेली व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट इन द यूकैरियोटिक सेल. हम द राइबोसोम का स्ट्रक्चर, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया का स्ट्रक्चर, वी आर गोइंग टू सी लर्न इट इन द डिटेल. देन द राइबोसोम्स आर प्रेजेंट हियर. राइबोसोम के भी दो प्रकार रहते हैं, स्मूथ राइबोसोम, रफ राइबोसोम्स. उसके भी हम डिटेल में देखेंगे व्हाट आर द फंक्शन. देन एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इज देयर. रफ सॉरी राइबोसोम एक ही टाइप का रहता है, 70s 50s उसमें टाइप स्मॉलर और लार्जर सब यूनिट रहता है. देन Two types of endoplasmic reticulum are there: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. And rough means what? On the surface ribosomes are present. And what is the function of ribosome? The function is protein synthesis. Then Golgi body or Golgi complex is there. Takes a sac raw material from ER में से वो raw material लेगा, they sends out the sac containing finished cell product. उसको cell product packing करना और final उसको मैच्योरेशन देने का काम कौन करता है? गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स. देन लाइसोसोम्स आर देयर. लाइसोसोम्स आर आल्सो कॉल्ड एज डाइजेस्टिव और सुसाइड बैग्स. सो डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स है जो भी वर्न आउट पार्ट है, ब्रोकन पार्ट है इनसाइड द सेल मेम्ब्रेन और अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है और किल हुआ फॉरेन पार्टिकल है, दैट इज डाइजेस्टेड बाय द लाइसोसोम. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सेड टू बी अ सुसाइड बैग. Then centrioles are present. Pair of bundle tubes organize cell division. Then cytoplasm, cell cytoskeleton made up of microtubules found throughout the cytoplasm gives a shape to the cell and movement. Structure found in the plant cell. So in the plant cell or animal cell we are going to see in the next period. So here hope we have mostly covered the comparative study of prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Our main topic is prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell का ultrastructure and function. So hope you have learned all the topic. We are going to take a one discussion session when our topic get completed. So whatever difficulties you are having related to topic, you can discuss there in that lecture. So remember, along with this video, I am going to share you a Google form. Inside that you have to write your name, class, and you have to firstly watch this video, and then after only you have to give your attendance. Thank you. Hope all your topic get covered inside this lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.